Hello, Chris Richter here, back again. Great to see you. Now, one thing that came up recently, someone was asking about a little bit of a dilemma. They were trying to bulk upload some student data using the bulk upload feature. And in that process, they were also trying to add data to a custom profile field, which they'd added to their users using the bulk upload, and it wasn't working. First of all, let's just have a look at what this actually is all about. So you can see here in a user's profile, I have a my unique user ID and then a unique ID here. This was created as a custom profile field. So it's not part of what comes with Moodle, but you can add that in yourself. To do that, let's have a look. In administration, if you go down to user profile fields, you can create your own unique profile fields that will be there for each student's profile, which just allows you to have extra data. I created one called my unique user ID. I gave it a short name, which is my UUID, which you can create that as to whatever you like. No spaces, all in lowercase is just more sensible and easier. Then we have a title for it, which is my unique user ID, which I wrote in there as well. Then there's a heap of settings that you can choose about that type of field as to what that actual value is. But the important part is this short name up here. If you remember what bulk uploading is, someone goes to a spreadsheet and they add in usernames, first name, last name, email address, and whatever else it is they need to add. And then in here, we're going to add our unique field. So when we bulk upload all of this, it will automatically populate the data in the unique user or a custom profile field. So logic would be that we use this my UUID for our custom field and we put that in here. But if you tried that, you would find that it errors, it doesn't work, and you have to start again. So how do we actually solve the problem? Of course, we go over to moodle.org, go to our upload users page. And if we scroll down a bit down there, you'll see a section called custom profile field names. And in there, there's this nice little bit about using profile underscore field underscore, then the actual field name. Or here it is down here, it's a bit easier to read. So if we grab that, go back to our spreadsheet and paste that in before our custom field name, we now have profile underscore field underscore my UUID, and that will solve the problem. So when I bulk upload now using a CSV, up to Moodle, it will add in the student and it will include their my UUID field with the data that's in there. Make sure the data matches the data type. So if it's numeric only, then make sure it only has numbers in it, or whatever the conditions are of the field that you've put in. That's all you need to do to be able to bulk upload extra data into the unique custom fields for a user. So I hope that's been useful to you. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.